Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some halloumi burgers. We're going to be using these halloumi burgers. There's 4 in there. We're going to be putting 2 in each bun. And we're going to be using my new Ninja Sizzle. So it's a griddle plate or a flat plate. It also comes with a grill plate which has the sort of channels on it so that you get that char grilled look. But yes, this is an amazing little desktop griddle, which I really love. So today we're going to be, as I said, doing some halloumi burgers. We're going to be grilling the halloumi burgers on there, also the onions, some red pepper, and we've got some brioche buns, and let's get it all together. Okay, so first things first, we need to get this heated up. It takes about 7 minutes to get up to temperature. It's very cold at the moment. We're going to be cooking today on 180 degrees, so all I simply do is turn this to 180 degrees, which is there. The red light has appeared, which means the power's on, and that will start heating up. So let's get prepped with our ingredients. So I've just cut up some onion and some red pepper. The sizzle is pretty much up to temperature. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a coating with some vegetable oil spray. There we go. That'll be enough. It's a great machine. Any fats will travel down to this trough here and get collected so they don't stay in your food. And we're going to add some of the onion. There we go. You can hear it sizzle. We've got some red pepper. Just get them going. Put all the pepper on this side, and we'll put the onion on the other side. There we go. That should be enough. And I'll put this to the side. So we're just going to keep tossing these. Smells amazing. Turn those over. So these are going to be quite char grilled. It's really good. Turn that over. And then what we'll do in a moment is add our halloumi to this as well. We'll mix these up a bit now. Make room for our halloumi. So halloumi burgers, obviously it's a cheese, very good alternative to having meat burgers, so vegetarian. We'll let them just sizzle over there while we get the halloumi. And here we are, these 4 halloumi burgers. We're going to be putting those on there as well. They're going to be really char grilled, and they're going to taste amazing. This Ninja Sizzler really is great. You can just do everything in one machine, one pot as it were. Give them a little toss. Let's turn over these halloumis. There we go. As I said, we're going to be putting 2 of these burgers in each bun. They're going to taste great. This is actually for my wife. I'm going to be having a different meal this evening, but we'll let everything just sizzle for a moment. So these are cooking quite nicely, and let's turn over the halloumi. As you can see, got that char grilled look to it now. My wife's actually joined me. What do you think to these? Do you think these are nearly done?
Yeah, I think so. The halloumi looks really nice.
Are you hungry?
I'm starving and it smells so good.
Right, so I don't think we're far off from dishing these up. We've got some brioche buns here, ready for the halloumi. This Ninja Sizzle's a brilliant little machine. Just like having everything in one place. So I think we're pretty much there. Just give them another toss quickly. Yep, all look cooked. Got a lovely look to them. Char grilled. The onions and peppers. We're doing well as well. That's really good. So I think it's time to plate these up. Right, so 2 of these on each bun. A bit tricky to get them off. Go.
The peppers look really char grilled as well, don't they?
They do, yeah. They look really, really good on this Ninja Sizzle. So I'm just going to scoop them up, yeah, and chuck them on, not very elegantly. My wife's going to be putting some guacamole, is it, on those? Okay. I've probably done way too many onions and peppers.
Smells so good.
Have I done too many? I think I have, haven't I? Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. That's enough. Okay, so there we go. There's our halloumi burgers. My wife's going to be putting some guacamole on. But yeah, look at those. Look amazing. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button. Leave any comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.